Okay, so I'm not showing myself because I look so crusty right now, but y'all, I made me some mussels and some shrimp and corn. Made the little seafood beloved sauce. Well, actually it wasn't her recipe. I just like YouTube the boiling crab shebang sauce, and then I clicked the first video that came up, and then I looked at Yummy Bites video, and then I just kind of added in my own little touch on the sauce. And it's so much in here, but it's so good. I already taste like 2 of the shrimp, and it's so good. It tastes so much better than it did last time. So yeah, I'm so happy I did that. And I think it tastes better because it's in the bag now, because last time I was kind of like dipping it, like with the mussels and stuff, I was like dipping it out, but this time I think it tastes better because it's in the bag. And I got corn and all that in there, and then I got a baked potato over here, and then I got my lemons back there. I normally have butter and garlic, but I'm not sure if I want to need it today. Okay, so I've been trying to get out the house for the past hour, guys. Like, honestly, it is so hard getting out the house because everybody wants something. Cause I'm one of those people where if I'm leaving, I'm gonna be like, okay, do you need something back? Do you want something back? What do you want? And then I'm going to get food for everybody. So what, everybody wants something different. And I don't mind it, but goodness, it just takes them forever to figure out what they want. Then I have to ask everybody, and they take forever to answer me, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm about to go. But I'm about to run up here, get this stuff, because I need to get some Downy Unstoppables, because I definitely need to wash my clothes tomorrow. And so I'm going up here and doing this deal. Going up here to do this deal, and I'm gonna get a bunch of it. You guys will see I have a $4 off of 2 coupon, and I'm going to use that. But I'm going to turn this off so I can play Cardi B new album, because it's fire. And I don't understand why people don't like that new album. Just like when Be Careful came out, I was like, this is a hit. Like, I love that song. I literally listened to it so much I know it word from word now. Like, know it word from word. I love that song. And her album is just so fire. I love the one with Kehlani. I love that one. And I like it. I like it like that. I like it like that. She did that. That album is fire. I don't care what nobody say. I like the one with YG too. It's kind of wild. Oh, I love the one with Chance. I swear I love the whole album. I can go through and tell you guys everything I love. I love the whole album. When I tell y'all I was in and out of that store, like I was in and out. I went in and got what I needed and got right back out. But let me show you guys what I got really quick. I got one Downy fabric softener, one Gain fireworks, and 4 of these Unstoppables. I know we go through those so fast. So I got 4 of those and 1 of those. And guess how much my total was for all of this stuff? Guess, y'all. Guess. Y'all are not even gonna guess. My subtotal was $10.50, and after tax it was $12.01. What? Yes, like that is crazy. It was so cheap. But I stopped to pick up Teosha because I didn't want to go over here by myself. I didn't. I don't like going places at night by myself too much, but I really don't like going places. Like, I don't mind it. Like, I'll do it, you know. But if it's raining, I watch too many horror films for that. Why she literally let that seat back like that just to get those doggone chips out of there? If that ain't greedy, I don't know what is. Oh my god, she's so greedy. Look at her. I'm just trying to do this. She's so greedy. Oh my god. Oh my god, she greedy. But we back there. Go to Walmart, and then we're gonna go to Popeyes and Subway, because my mom and daddy want Subway. hair nappy. Excuse my hair. I just took out my hair. But hey guys, happy Sunday. So I went. This is so fake. I went grocery shopping with my dad, and I didn't do my come shop with me videos today because I didn't go couponing. I think I'm gonna go couponing tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get up early and go in the morning, just because I actually didn't have all of my coupons to go today, so that's why I need to kind of figure out the deal that I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna catch up on my shows since I don't have anything else to do, and then do filming and stuff tomorrow. I'm gonna try to knock out a couple videos tomorrow. Oh, I got me some good snacks. Let me show you guys. These Starburst, all pink. These are limited edition. I had picked up 2, but I guess he also one. And then I got these. This is my favorite candy. I love like gummies, but I love berry gummies. So I love those. And then I want to try these right here. Just to try them out, because I love these little green peas and like snap peas and stuff like that. I love those. So I was like, ooh, I might like them. I don't know. And I like wasabi, so, and I love ranch. So maybe I would like all 3. I don't know. So yeah, I got my papers right here. I'm gonna go through. I didn't get a Garnier 4 off of 2 shampoo in my paper, so that's why I couldn't go to CVS. So, oh, excuse me, I'm gonna try and see if I can find one online somewhere and still do the deal, but if not, I may not be able to do the hair care deal that I want to do. But I'm about to go through and cut out all of my papers. It's so cold in here. It is cold. I don't know why it go from being hot to cold, hot to cold, hot to cold. It's so weird. And I have to run to my aunt's house later because she has some coupons that she's giving me for Boost and the Gillette coupons, and probably some other coupons, because that is the coupon lady. Okay, coupon lady, that's where I get it from. Like, honestly, that is where I get it from. She's the reason that I coupon now, because she was like, y'all need to start couponing, and she was just pretty much showed us how to do it, and now it's like that. So I'm about to go to her house later on. And all these inserts I got all of these P&Gs, all of these Smart Search, the makeup ones with the Revlon and Almay in it, the Retail Me Not with all the L'Oreal ones in it, all the L'Oreal ones, and then all of these like household ones, and then all of the other Smart Source ones. But my aunt gave me all of these ones. The one who I said was the coupon queen. So hot. Oh god. It hit me. Oh god. It is hot. OMG. Look, good lord. Whew. Let all this heat out the car. Okay. Y'all hit it. Y'all hit it. What's up, guys? I don't even know when the last time I picked up the camera. I showed you guys the inserts that I got from my aunt, and I think that was the last time I picked up the camera. But right now, I am about to head to Ulta, and I have to go to TJ Maxx, and of course I gotta get gas. I always gotta get gas. Not TJ Maxx. I said TJ Maxx, I did not mean TJ Maxx. I need to go to CVS, and I think I'm gonna stop at another Walgreens and see like what kind of deals they have going on with their clearance. It's another Walgreens I want to check out, so I'm gonna go see what kind of deals they have going on, and I think that's about it. Oh, and I have to run to Walmart and pick up some things for my parents, but I think that's pretty much all I have to do. I got a new phone, so the quality might look different. I don't even know how it looks. I got the 8 Plus. So the quality might look a little different. I know it looks different on here because it's bigger. Yeah, I swear, every time I come to this altar, I almost bust my tail. I either trip coming out of the door because it's like a stump thing on the sidewalk, or either I trip in the parking lot. Like just now, I tripped coming out, and it's like you can't even be mad. Like you just have to laugh and be like, OMG, you know. But I got my concealer in my shade finally, guys, finally. So I finally got the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I just picked up this Proactive for my mom. Now I'm about to head to CVS. So yeah, I think CVS is the next stop. That probably would be the best thing to do, is go to CVS next. Yeah, okay. So I just went in CVS right quick and got the stuff. I tried to get the Boost, but they only had one, and it was in strawberry, and I needed to get 4, so I didn't get the Boost. But I did pick up these razors for my dad. These are just the Gillette Mach 3. Those are the ones that he used. It was supposed to be 11 something. Oh, I didn't know I had that. I had a 3 off of 15 coupon, so it was only $9.61. I didn't even know I had that. That's crazy, because I didn't add it to my card or anything, so I didn't know I had it. So it ended up being completely free because I got back $10 for it, and I only paid $9.61, and I just used that cash card that I had got back the other day on the last Come Shop With Me video, and so it's 39 cents left on that card. So if I use it again, I'll probably just do that. They only had 3 strawberry Boost ones left, and I needed to get 4. They didn't even have any more of the original Boost. They just had strawberry, so I had to get her a high protein. I hope she can take that. I'm not sure. All 4 of these Boosts, and there's 6 packs, and I got her all strawberry flavor because she likes strawberry ones. She said they taste like strawberry milkshake. But yeah, so I got that, and then I got a $10 ECB back for it, so it ended up being really good. I paid $3.02 out of pocket for them, so that was a pretty decent deal. Yeah, now I'm about to run to Walmart and pick up some stuff, because she gave me a list of stuff to get from Walmart.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Can I? Okay. Can I get one of the orange cream pop, please?
Would you like the happy hour card?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's all.
Just the orange cream pop?
Yeah.
That'll be 109.
Okay. Well, you got $1, but you need to break a 10 to get change, so you got to break a 10 4 times. Sorry.
How are you, ma'am?
Good. How are you? Oh, I'm gonna pass the window.
109.
Okay. Sorry.
Would you like the penny back, ma'am?
No.
Have a good day,
Thank
ma'am.
you. You too. See, that'd be so nice here. That's why I need to start coming to this one instead of the other one, because where am I supposed to? But this one needs to start coming to this one instead of the other one. And see, I like this one because it got like a little sit outside thing. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it got a little sit outside thing, so people can sit out there and eat on a pretty day like this. I don't have no friends to do stuff like that with. Tiosha don't never want to leave the house, so I can't never sit outside and eat unless y'all want to come sit outside and eat with me. I'm sure y'all would. Little churn dram. All right, let me go home. Oh, y'all was right. This is good. Some of you guys were recommending that I try this. That's a pretty car. because I got the strawberry one last time, and a lot of you guys were recommending that I try this one, and it is so good. It tastes just like an orange creamsicle. This is good, real good. All right, I'm about to put my music on so I can jam and go home. So I'm not gonna do anything for the rest of the day because I'm tired. To be honest with you, I'm gonna edit. That's probably gonna be it for this weekly video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next week.